guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to be filming this. If you've been a subscriber for a while, then you probably know that I actually did a video like this probably like 2 years ago, and unfortunately I couldn't do it last year, but I did it this year and I'm so excited. I'm talking about the Beautylish mystery box. So this is going to be an unboxing video. I literally just got this package probably like less than 10 minutes ago, and you can see it's still sealed. I'm not showing the front because I have my address, but yeah, it's still sealed. And then I have my box cutter right here, so we're gonna open it and we're gonna unbox it. Oh, I'm so excited to see what's in here. That don't know, Beautylish does this thing like every year that I'm aware of, every year, like at the end of the year, like an like a mystery box. And this one that I got is the $75 one, and you are guaranteed to get a minimum of $150 worth of products, and it's like a mystery. You get them back, or you can get the mystery box or mystery bag, the XL one. I think that one's $150. I was gonna do that one, but I can't, so next year I'll do that one. So we're gonna open it up, and this is what it looks like. The inside is super cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And so it says on here, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Lucky Bag 2018 Beautylish. I'm so excited. So the wrapping paper is super cute. It has a bunch of paper, so we're just gonna take out the products one by one. And as I take out the products, we're going to see the price, and we're going to see how much this box, or this box is valued. The cool thing about this one is that some bags are luckier than others, meaning they're going to have extra stuff, such as like gift cards and stuff. So hopefully this one is a lucky one. Unfortunately, the one that I got like 2 years ago wasn't a lucky one, but let's see, maybe we'll get lucky. I don't know. So there's a bunch of paper. So excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out the products one by one. So the first thing I see here is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'm not sure how much this is worth, but like I said, I will leave prices and we're gonna add them up at the end. But it is really nice. I really like Becca, and I don't really have that many under eye stuff, so I'm actually glad I got this one. And we all know Becca's a really good brand. Okay, I've been wanting to try this. This is the Oribe, I think that's how it's pronounced, dry texturizing spray. And I have seen like Desi Perkins and Katie, I think it's both of them, that they both really talk really highly about this brand. And so I'm actually glad I got this. I've been wanting to try this, so that's a good thing. The next one is the by Terry Velvet Rouge, what is this? Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And this is Lady Bear. I'm assuming that that's the color. So let's look at it. Oh, this is a really pretty color. This is like a nude. Should we swatch? Yeah, let's swatch, right? So the wand is very interesting. And this is the shade. Oh, this is a gorgeous color. I really like this color. I had no idea that By Terry even had lipsticks. I don't really get any of their products, but I do, from my understanding, they are a pretty expensive brand. So I'm actually really happy about the color. It is so pretty. Next, we got a Wayne Goss brush. I've never tried these brushes before, and this is the Wayne Goss number 17 brush. This looks like it's a blending brush. It feels really soft, like kind of stiff right here, but soft at the ends. Well, I'm interested in trying it out. I've never tried these brushes before. Let me know if you have. Next, this one's all wrapped up, so let me just open it up. I love this. This is the Bioderma Sensible H2O Oh, I got this one actually. We got this last year. Well, I did get it in my Beautylish box. And I love this. So this one helps you remove makeup, and this is just amazing. It removes everything. And I mean everything. This is great. So I'm so happy about this. And then I got a xoxo Snow Wise brightening mask. Never heard of this brand before. And of course it has the directions in the back. I love, love, love masks, so of course I'm excited about this one too. And then next, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I got the Jouer Skinny Dip. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness, I've been wanting to try this. Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows. So let's open it up. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Look at that. The packaging is so beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. Should we swatch like 2 of them? Okay, let's swatch 2 of them. So we'll just grab these 2 right here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh gosh, they swatch beautifully. They are so soft on the skin and they blend so pretty. I can't wait to try this. I'm super excited. I'm gonna have to definitely use this in a tutorial. I think it would look really pretty applying it on top of a shimmer shadow. So yes, that's all we got. Okay, well that looks like it is all of it. So that's what I got. So that's everything that I got in my Lucky bag this year. So my thoughts on it, I definitely do think it is worth it. You do get a lot of products. I'm going to leave the total right here. And I'm pretty sure the total is going to be over 150, but you know, I'm not doing the math right now, so I'll do it after I finish filming. And I will say that I did like the Lucky bag that I got 2 years ago. This one I wasn't too impressed. I am impressed by the Skinny Dip though, by the Jouer one. I do like the stuff that I got, but I'm not too impressed. I don't know. I do like everything though, but I do feel like I like the other one more. I think the other one made me more excited. Maybe because it was my first Lucky bag that I got. I'm not sure, but like I said, I do like it. Next year, I am going to try to get the 150 one, the XL. And that one's going to be like $300 worth of products. I feel like that one's going to be really exciting. So that's what I'm going to be doing next year. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.